Automating money-making gigs can help you generate income with minimal ongoing effort once you set up the systems correctly. However, it's important to note that not all money-making activities can be fully automated. Here are some strategies for automating certain types of gigs. E-commerce business. Set up an e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Use dropshipping or print-on-demand services to automate order fulfillment and shipping. You can also integrate automated marketing tools to target customers based on their behavior. Digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software. Use an automated delivery system to instantly deliver the products to customers after purchase. Affiliate marketing. Build a niche website or blog and use affiliate marketing to promote products and earn commissions. Once your website gains traction, you can automate content creation and affiliate link insertion. Social media management. Use social media management tools to schedule and automate your posts across multiple platforms. You can also utilize chatbots to handle customer inquiries and engagement. Stock photography or videos. If you're into photography or videography, you can automate income by selling your work through stock photo and video platforms. Peer-to-peer lending. Consider peer-to-peer lending platforms where you can lend money to individuals or small businesses. The platforms handle borrower verification and repayment, automating the process for you. Robo-investing. Use robo-advisors for automated investing in the stock market or other investment vehicles. These platforms manage your portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Mobile apps. Develop and monetize mobile apps that offer value to users. You can generate income through app purchases, in-app advertising, or in-app purchases. Automated trading. If you have experience in trading in financial markets, you can explore automated trading systems that execute trades based on predefined algorithms. Subscription services. Create a membership site or subscription service that provides valuable content or services on an ongoing basis. Once set up, these platforms can handle recurring payments and access control automatically. Remember that while automation can streamline processes and reduce manual effort, it still requires some initial setup, maintenance, and periodic monitoring.